angled edge on the outside, just like you're angled in here, just like this style is angled a little bit here, 22.5. So right there, our door is finished. Now the next thing I want to do is show you how we're going to hinge these doors. Okay, when we hinge our doors, we always use the 35mm hinges that have the 35mm hinge cup here and the two little 8mm plastic inserts. To drill that now, what we have is a little jig called the easy bore. Okay, it's got the 3 holes to drill. We're going to, of course, drill the holes on the back. And you can see when I set that jig, I'm setting it on 2 stops. The stops are set for different numbers. 2 means 1/2 inch overlay. 3 means 3/8 inch overlay. We always use the 2. I'm going to line it up with the edge right there, and these 2 cam clamps come down and clamp that and hold that jig in place. Now all I have to do is take my drill and drill the 4 holes. This little socket comes with it. These here are 8mm holes, you can see, and they're spring loaded. Stop automatically. This is our 35mm hole here. And we want to drill that. You can set that for different depths. I like to set ours for 7/16 because 7/16 is the depth of our hinges. I'll show you in a little bit. We're going to come into here and drill the other hinge. This thing saves a lot of time and it's very accurate. That quickly, I just drilled the holes for a door and they're placed right where I want them. Now, installing the hinges is easier yet. The hinges have the 2 little nylon inserts right here. You line those up and they're a little oversized. Pound them in, you're set. That quick and easy. No screwing hinges on anymore. Those hinges are ready to install into your cabinet. Just like we installed this door into this router table cabinet, we used a shaker door. And these hinges are made by Bloom. Another thing Bloom makes is this little door silencer that we got mounted up on top. Watch when I slam this door, you can't slam it. It closes nice and slow. So Bloom makes some nice stuff. All right, one last thing I want to do for you is show you how we're going to drill the holes for our hardware. We're going to use a special jig to do that too. Okay, we've got our door. We're going to put our hardware right down here in this corner here. And to do that, we're going to use this little tool here called the Easy Marc. And what it does, it drills 2 holes for your hardware, or 1 if you're using just 1 hole. When these holes are set all the way in, it's for 3-inch spacing and you can adjudge accordingly. All right, we're going to use a 3-inch center hole. And we're going to put our first hole approximately right in here. So I'm going to line this up so I'm right across here. This is my stop. So now if we do a series of doors, we got a stop where we can come to that same spot for all of them. Okay, what we have to do first is find the center of that stile on that chamfer. I got 2 inches here, so I'm going to come in 1 inch to the center, which should be about right there, and put a dot. Right there's the center. Now I always like to put my handles so I'm right across from my raised panel. That's where the start of my bottom screw is. So we're going to line that up, look down through this hole, and see if we can locate that right there. We're looking down, we're looking right down at it. I'm going to lock that in. That's set. Okay, this jig comes with, and you can see how we're set on the back here. There's our stop right there. We're hitting that stop there. We're accurate on all of our doors. Comes with a 6-inch aircraft drill. Drill the 2 holes. If you've ever drilled the holes wrong for one door, you got to make the whole door over. This saves you time and effort on that. So right there. Now, our door is completely done. Stain and spray it, and we'll be ready to go to the next project. Okay, here's the 3 doors we made today. This here is the flat panel with the plywood, and this is the flat panel with the hardwood, and this one right here is the raised panel with the hardwood. And 3 different ways you can use our new shaker system. Some people call it a mission style, whatever, but it's becoming very popular. And if you choose to use it, I hope you enjoy using it as much as I do.